python is one of Africa's deadliest snakes, and it has a rather unconventional way of detecting its prey. It can smell through its tongue and see through its nose. Using its forked tongue, it tastes the air, and by picking up the floating odor particles, it can smell its prey with the roof of its mouth. This python has picked up the scent of a squirrel. A snake's poor vision is attuned mainly to movement, so the squirrel keeps dead still. But it won't work. This snake has the power to see right through its act. A crafty squirrel thinks he can outsmart this python by playing statues, but this snake is not so easily deceived. Heat-sensitive pit organs on either side of its snout register the warm blood of its prey. Mixing both visual and thermal images together, the python can pinpoint its next meal, still or not. With one gulp, the squirrel is swallowed whole. The python's power to detect body heat gives it the ability to see through any camouflage or defensive ploys, right to the beating heart of its victim.
In the freezing air, the wind cuts like knives. A young, inexperienced golden eagle has difficulty finding somewhere to land in the featureless expanse. The fresh snow is damp, and the air is freezing. More snow collects in the eagle's feathers with each failed attempt to land. The first lumps of ice have begun to form on the exhausted bird. Instinctively, the eagle reacts to the danger. It makes its way into a tree. It would probably not survive a night on the cold, icy ground. The weather turns, and a storm gathers. The young eagle has no choice but to wait it out. Golden eagles can usually withstand temperatures down to minus 30 degrees Celsius, thanks to their layers of downy feathers. Unfortunately, the ice in its outer feathers and the harsh weather conditions prove extremely challenging for the young bird.
Breeding pairs punish juvenile trespassers very severely. They are an undisciplined mob riven with infighting. Gang life may not be easy for a lowly new member. But it opens up opportunities denied to it as a loner. They are after eggs, and together they overwhelm the nesting shacks. The mob plunders until they're all fully gorged.